Imagine waking up each morning knowing that artificial intelligence is working for you, earning you income while you sleep, creating opportunities you never thought possible, and helping you finally break free from the 9-to-5 grind. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in 2025, it's more real than ever before. AI is no longer just for tech geniuses or big corporations. Today, anyone with a laptop or smartphone can tap into its power and start making real money online. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful, beginner-friendly ways to start making money using AI, even if you have zero experience, no coding skills, and no audience. Stick with me until the end, because the 5th method could completely change your financial future, and it's something most people still have no idea even exists. Let's kick things off with one of the hottest and most accessible income streams, AI-powered content creation. From YouTube videos to blog posts, short videos, Instagram reels, and even ebooks, AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Lumen 5, and Pictory can now create high-quality content in minutes. You can start a faceless YouTube channel where AI writes your scripts, generates your voiceovers, and even creates your visuals. No camera, no studio, no editing skills required. Thousands of new creators are already earning passive income with monetized channels that talk about finance, tech, motivation, or even fun facts, all powered by AI tools doing the heavy lifting. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to get started. And with the help of AI, you're already halfway there. The second method is offering AI-powered freelance services. Businesses all over the world need help with content writing, SEO, video editing, social media, voiceovers, and now AI tools can help you deliver those services faster and better. You can use tools like Lovo for voiceovers, Canva with AI design features, and Surfer SEO for content writing. Then sell your services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. The demand for AI augmented services is exploding. And here's the best part. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to know how to use the tools. And once you do, you can charge real money for services powered by automation. Number 3, create and sell AI-generated digital products. You can use tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create stunning art, planners, templates, coloring books, or even digital wallpapers, and then sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. People are making hundreds to thousands of dollars per month selling AI-generated products that took just minutes to create. The best part? These are digital products, which means no shipping, no inventory, and unlimited scaling potential. This is true passive income, and once your store is up and running, it can keep earning for you day and night. Number 4, AI-powered affiliate marketing. Here's where things get exciting. You can promote AI tools you love, like ChatGPT, WriteSonic, Jasper, or even automation platforms, and earn commissions every time someone signs up through your link. Use AI to write blog posts, make TikToks, create Instagram reels, or even run YouTube shorts, all promoting helpful tools with your affiliate links. This model is perfect for beginners because you don't need your own product, your own audience, or even to show your face. You just share value using AI, and when people buy through your link, you get paid. And finally, number 5, building AI automated systems that earn for you. This is where you combine everything. You can automate an entire YouTube channel. You can build a niche blog that writes its own articles using AI. You can launch a faceless Instagram or TikTok brand powered by automated posting tools. You can even create lead generation funnels or digital sales systems, all with AI running in the background. Imagine this. You set up the system once and it runs on autopilot, creating content, attracting viewers, capturing leads, and making sales, all while you focus on scaling or even sleeping. This is not some far-off dream. It's already happening. And the only thing standing between you and this lifestyle is your first step. So there you have it. 5 beginner-friendly, powerful ways to make money from AI in 2025. None of these require you to be an expert, and all of them are accessible with free or low-cost tools. Now the question is, what will you do with this information? Will you let another year go by watching others build wealth from AI? Or will you finally take control and start building your own freedom? Don't wait. Start today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I'll be sharing step-by-step guides for each of these methods very soon. And remember, you don't need to be perfect to start. AI can help you grow as you go. Your time is now. Let's build something amazing together.